training ride ako ngayon. Natamad ako mag-indoor trainer. Minsan ganun talaga eh. Minsan gusto mo naman mag-indoor, minsan naman talagang tinatamad ka mag-indoor. Mas maganda talaga yung indoor kasi sa training specific magagawa mo talaga and you're not worrying with the surroundings, no? Pero minsan tamad naman mag-indoor, so I will be doing some I think it's sweet spot intervals. I have 5 sweet spot intervals for about alam ko 10 minutes. Tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari sa ensayo. Okay guys, biyahe na tayo. Papunta ako ng Clark. Doon ko gagawin yung training ko. Pero bago yung ensayo, meron lang akong dadaanan. Meron lang ako papaayos doon sa bike. Bali, ang dala ko nga palang bike ngayon yung aking road bike. Since doon naman tayo magbabike sa Clark at hindi naman ako mag-off-road, gamitin ko yung road bike ko para magamit naman natin siya. Lagi naman tayo na gravel bike. I will be doing the intervals doon sa pader kasi usually yung pader pagka nag-e-effort ako dyan, sa akin sa fitness level ko 10-minute effort ko yan. Pakain lang ako ng gulong. Lambot eh. Okay, let's start the workout. Warm up muna tayo. Wala tayong long ride, wala tayong adventure ride. Training specific ride tong ginagawa natin. Bali, we're doing some sweet spot interval. Isa sa mahalagang ensayo na dapat ginagawa ng isang siklista na active sa mga races. And in this video, i-share ko sa inyo kung paano ko ginagawa yung mga ganitong training ride. Especially ngayon, hindi tayo naka-indoor. Maganda magawa mo to sa isang lugar na safe kagaya dito sa Clark. Kasi gaya niyan, tinatamad akong mag-indoor training. Siyempre para yung mga specific workout na magagawa mo na feeling mo safe ka pa rin kahit na nag-e-effort ka, maganda merong ang lugar na magagawa ito sa madalang yung dumadaan na sasakyan, tsaka mga biker friendly na lugar. Swerte naming mga taga Pampanga, meron kaming Clark at ngayon meron na rin kaming New Clark City. Mag-uumpisa pa lang yung workout ko, nag-drop chain pa. Ayusin ko muna. First sweet spot interval 10 minutes. Minutes recovery. Lipat tayo sa pader.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
Second set na tayo. Dito ngayon ako sa pader. Tingnan nyo, madalang ang sasakyan. Okay, second set is done. Recovery, 5 minutes. Papauli tayo. We still have 3 more efforts. Third set, akyat ulit tayo ng pader. Last 2 minutes on the third interval. Okay, recovery. Last 2.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle
Fourth
just to
set.
be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the
Okay,
only thing in life that
last set na lang after this recovery.
Work for, believe me. Take it to your hands and plan your own hands to land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. I'm sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and all the doubters, they're just young downers. I swear to
Last
God,
na.
they all let me down.
Pwede naman kumain. Pagkatapos,
I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
last 1 minute. We're done. Naba na tayo. Recovery. Ay, tapos na. Pull down. Ayos, we're done. Hydrate muna tayo. Then, kain din. O nga pala guys, disclaimer lang po, I am not a cycling coach. Sineshare ko lang sa inyo kung ano yung usually na ginagawa ko. Especially now, wala akong coach ngayon, bali yung program ko nanggagaling sa application na Trainer Road. And yung training na ginagawa ko, nakabase yan sa fitness level ko. Naka-input yung aking FTP, yung Functional Threshold Power. Diyan nakabase yung mga training zones or power zones na ginagawa ko. At kung tatanungin niyo naman ako kung paano niyo magagawa itong program na to kung wala kayong power meter, you can use the rate of perceived exertion or yung RPE. Nandyan yung table, pwede niyong gawing basihan yan kung paano niyo magagawa itong workout na to. According din dun sa Trainer Road, ang gagawin yung effort is RPE 7. For more details about the rate of perceived exertion, alam ko may video si Angelo Biker Dude. Hanapin nyo na lang. Pero ako din, meron akong video about RPE. Pakiclick nyo na lang dyan sa may itaas. Again, I'm not a cycling coach. Ginagawa ko ito kasi this is effective for me. If you like this content, please give it a thumbs up. At kung hindi pa po kayo nakasubscribe, please do subscribe on my YouTube channel. Ride safe, stay healthy. God bless you all. This is The Cycling Chef.
You whip up my appetite.